Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 125,000 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens or gauges, buttons, or anything like that, that's just in camera. That is not in person. So we're gonna go on a quick drive here, hit the brakes, do some acceleration, check out the alignment. Steering's nice and straight. I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard here in 3, 2, 1. Brakes are solid. No issues there whatsoever. Steering wheel doesn't shake. I don't feel any vibrations in the pedal. Very, very nice. Shift super smooth. This truck drives really, really nice. Alignment solid, no vibrations in the wheel, no complaints of drivability whatsoever. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So first things first, this truck does have hail damage. Most of it is on the hood and the roof, and there's just a couple along the sides. So let's see if I can't get some of those to kind of pop. You have a pretty big one right there in the middle. And you can see the little bubbles in the lights every once in a while. That is the largest one though, for sure. You just have a handful of small guys throughout. And then I'll get up here in just a little bit, but of course you do have a bunch up there. A few small ones down the side, but the sides aren't littered with it. It's just a few. So it looks like most of it is on that top side. Here on the fender, overall in great condition. You do have a couple little chips and scuffs here on this wheel. Looks good. Got the Defender LTX MS2s. Really nice tire. Date code 2024. That tread looks good. Side mirror, a couple little scuffs. Overall A-pillar looks nice. Got a ding there, like I said. Looks good. Couple little scuffs there. A few little hard water spots, small chips. You do have a scratch right there. Got a gash here, one there. A few small chips. Little markings here and there. You got a ding right there. Here on that wheel, overall in good condition. Got the Defenders, Date code 2024. Headlights look good. And that one looks nice. Looking at the edge, a couple little rock impacts, all pretty minor for the miles. And looking at that front bumper, little impacts, things like that. You can see the rash down there. That housing's good. Overall, the grills look nice. Of course, here on the chrome, when you get close, you're gonna see lots of scratches and swirls, just kind of everyday washing and things like that. Little chips, a little bit of rash. A couple feet away though, she looks really good. And all pretty minor stuff, honestly. Fender looks good. I see one tiny ding there. Date code 2024. A little bit of rash, but overall in great condition. If you look down here, you do have kind of gashes and chips along that body line. Looks good. Got a pretty deep gash right there. There's your nail. Little scuffs. Overall, that wheel looks good. A little bit of rash. Got a deep gash right there. Tail light looks good. Couple chips. That tail light looks good. Got the plastic drop-in bed liner there. You're gonna see little dings and stuff, like I said. Just kind of following the light. A lot of it's here on the front side, a larger one way over there. Okay, looking at the interior. Got the gray cloth, no sunroof. Now you do have a hole there, some sort of, almost like a cigarette burn, and one there. But the truck does not smell like smoke to me. It's actually pretty fresh and clean. I do see a lot of dinginess here, some little dirt and stuff from over the years. That bolster overall looks good. Same here. That door panel looks nice. Buttons are clean. Got your all-weather mats. Here on the steering wheel, it is shiny, so it doesn't have a matte finish anymore, but it's not chewed up or anything, so I think that's in great condition. Buttons look good. You do have the automatic headlights. Screen here, climate control access, four-wheel drive, auto start stop. You have a lot of ports down here for charging. Looks good. You have a lot of wear right here compared to that. The leather looks good, and that does flip up, and you can have a seat there. Otherwise looks good. Right here on this door panel, that upper section looks good. Little scratch on the plastic. Ton of storage in here. I like that little cubby. Got the all-weather mats. You do have stains on the seat. You can see some blue and pink stains there, and there. Upper side looks good. Bolster overall nice and clean. Massive cubby right here. That looks good. Upper side of the dash. That looks nice. All of that's clean. Headliner looks good. Here on the back right door panel, nice and clean. Got your all-weather mat. A couple of very light stains on the seat. For the most part though, they look really good. All right, here on the back left door panel, looks good. All-weather mats look nice. Now we do have some pink stains on this seat and a little spot there. The seat back looks good though. All right, checking out the engine bay here. We're just gonna scan through all of this. I did take a lot of photos, so you can go check those out as well.